You wanna be this queen bee, but you can't be. That's why you mad at me. What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Y'all already know what time it is. Like, I don't have to keep explaining this, but I hope y'all all having like a really great day, a blessed day, an amazing day when you're watching it. So, girl, look, we already know what time it is. It is one of the affordable best of the best. Y'all know for less. Y'all know what I be saying about Unice Hair. They got the everything, okay? Like, you could put the wig on right out the box and go about your business. You know, have like a really great day whenever y'all are watching this. It's October and it's still 100 degrees. It is 99 degrees today. I'm hot right now. I want to be relaxed, chilled, and looking cute. Came through looking, you know, put together somewhat. Here, cute, okay? I'm about to put on my hair and look extra cute, okay, on today's video.
There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
So y'all already know I have worked with Unice Hair like several times already, forever, okay? And they come through with the best of the best of the best for less, like for real. Like you can find them on Amazon, on AliExpress. Go to their website, girl. Follow them on Instagram, TikTok, TikTok. You can shop, yeah, TikTok. Go ahead and check them out on there. They come through with all the live videos, so that way you could check them out. Or you could just take my word for it, because the girl come through looking really cute, okay? Today we're gonna look cute. So if you want an affordable wig and you want to make sure you look extra cute because you already are cute, go ahead and check out Unice Hair. I will leave all of the information down below.
Yeah. You feel alive when you don't call when you're supposed to, 'cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to, knowing you're at home all mad. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? 'Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it's your way, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. Why do we do the things we do? Yeah, you claim you don't mind it if I'm dancing with a stranger. So I do it to get on your nerves. 'Cause I know that you really hurt. So tell me, is it love when you're provoking jealousy? Like you're always testing me. Tell me what that is, tell me what to fix. 'Cause baby, I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? 'Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we need help with these bad habits and foolish pride. We're so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it's your way, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. all of the stupid shit that we do. Why do we do the things we do?
All right, y'all, this is it. Okay, listen, let me tell you something. I have done so many Unice Hair wigs, and I swear to you guys, they have like one of the best laces in the lace front wig business. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do review other companies, okay? And like, I can really give like a really comparison. Like, when they say this is glueless, ready to wear, put it on and go, it's no lie. Like, seriously, their lace is like a sturdy lace. Like, I don't know why I'm always yelling. Why am I always yelling? Anyway, their lace is sturdy. It's not too soft. It's definitely not too hard. It's just like just right. Like Goldilocks would say, or Baby Bear would say. It's just right. It's like in between the both, which makes it just so perfect that it just lays flat all the time. Like, you really, really don't need any hairspray. Girl, I like for my wig to just stay where it's at, and I love for the lace to always be melting. So I will say that if you want the lace to really, 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 really melt, you will definitely want to use like a really good hairspray. This is the one that I swear by, and y'all know I've been using this for years. This also, even this one, the lace melt spray, it's really, really good. But the only thing that I don't like about it, why does it always get stuck? Like, you really cannot pump the bottle like that. Like, it gets sticky, it's very sticky, and it gets hard. That lace melt spray is really, really good. Like, it gets really sticky. Unice Hair be having some really, 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 really affordable prices, some really, really nice wigs. Now, like I said, this one is a pre-everything, girl. And I don't know about you, but I do like everything to be perfect and to the point. So my suggestion, because you know what I'm saying, like, I try to be a perfectionist. You know what I'm saying? I like everything to be perfect. I like everything to be dead spot on. I don't want to go outside and you be like, I see a little speckle right there. Girl, mind your business. Don't get up so close to me. So I really do think that for this one, I'm going to re-bleach the lace only because it is a little bit of speckling. And like I said, I like everything to be like dead spot on perfect. I really don't want to use any type of foundation or concealer on my unit. I just want to put it on and go and just be extra cute. Because I did say extra because I'm already cute. Put a little razzle dazzle on that baby. Do it like it's your day. Listen, let me just tell you something. Pre-everything means pre-everything. The part was there. The wig was there. The hair was there. The waves were waving, baby. We was riding that thing like a surfboard in the ocean. And you know, I always put a little bit of extra spin on it because that's what I like to do. You know what I'm saying? I use water with conditioner. I do like to use Nairobi, and I also do like to use a lot of body. This same size in Nairobi is $12.99 on Amazon. This one is $3.98. So you do the math and you choose the one that works best for you. But I'm here to tell you that Lotta Body and Nairobi give the same exact perfect defined curls. But if you're gonna get you an affordable wig, you might as well get you some nice, good, affordable product. I'm just saying, a lot of body been around forever, girl. I remember my mama used to use they setting lotion. Girl, listen, a lot of body been around forever, okay? Forever. Forever, ever, and ever. And I don't know about you, but I really do like to use products that are trusted and have been around, okay? So with that being said, this is a 7x5, 24 inches, 180% density Brazilian water wave with some highlights. I love their highlighted units. Like, seriously, you know you get spoiled when it's pre-everything, and pre-everything is pre-everything. So do it like it's your bidet and slay, and you could thank A little later on in the game. But check out Unice. I'll link everything down below. I hope you had a great day and enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see y'all in the comments and in the next one. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one.